US 60, Sandy plus 2, inbound for Halsey.
This one, this drone back there. We understand free change on 4, free change prove it this time.
Alright, just drop.
Okay, what are they doing? Just jumping off and moving?
And they are...
Very aggressive the vehicle.
They stand by, I think they're carrying weapons.
Are they?
What, that looks like weapons to me. They're covering them up right now.
Hey, what are they covering up in that truck? Can you tell?
Yep, I just saw a weapon. I'm pretty sure, I'm 99.9% sure that was a weapon. These guys just dismounted. We need to take these guys out.
Right.
I think these are covered up weapons. Like,
It's all back out for clearance.
993. We believe we have a white bomber truck with 6 personnel with weapons. Fire over.
320, we'll call next one for departure.
375, roger. Roger, clear to engage. Initials are Mike Oscar, over.